In this After Effects tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do scrolling text, credits, or titles, or even graphics in After Effects. In order to do this, you're going to need to know how to use position animators. You're going to need to know how to use your rulers and guides, create mask layers, and create track mats. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to typeset the word scrolling. We're going to position it, and for this effect to work, we can do it both horizontally and vertically. It just depends on where you position things, your position animators, and where your mask falls. I'm going to then duplicate this layer and typeset the rest of the text. I use the character palette feature in order to create more leading in between each line of text. And I'm going to use my guidelines by first creating show rulers, Command R. And I can draw guidelines down so that I can line this up so when I position my text, it will line up evenly and won't look too jerky. Since it's position animators, I'm going to select text and titles and credits, open up transform, and set position. Since I want this to start with nothing there, I'm going to create a keyframe where nothing is there. Scroll down, create another keyframe, scroll down, move it up and align it up to my guideline. I want it to hold for a beat, so I scroll down, create another keyframe, scroll down, position, hold it for a beat, scroll down, position, hold it for a beat, scroll down, position it off screen, hold it for a beat. So now you'll see that essentially what you've done is create position animations. And in your position animations, all you're going to do is just see the text move. Like so. Now it looks a little stiff right now, so what we're going to do is we're going to select all the keyframes by clicking and dragging. If I'm on a Mac, I'm going to hold the Control key down or right-click on the keyframes and select Keyframe Assistant, and we're going to select Easy Ease. And this will slow it down just a little, but make the animation a little smoother and a little less jerky. Now, once I've created my position animators, I'm ready to create my mask. I'm going to put the mask above my text and title by going to Layer, New Solid Layer. We're going to go ahead and name this mask. And I'm going to resize this box so that it is bigger than the largest word that I have. So you see how it covers up the largest word. And then I'm going to position it right above Then I'm going to turn it into a mask by going to Layer, Mask, New Mask, and now it is a mask feature. And the last thing I'm going to want to do is I'm going to take the title credits. I'm going to go down here to the bottom where it says Toggle Switches and Modes. Click on that so I can get access to Luma masks. We're going to select the titles and credits, and instead of none, I'm going to select Luma mask. Now you can see that the mask probably needs to see a little more adjustment. So let's adjust it so that the words are completely invisible. So now when I hit play, now as you can see, the mask is still probably not the size that we want it to be, as you can see here. So if I increase the size of the mask or decrease the size of the mask, I can just adjust things to where they need to be. This is some of the fine-tuning that has to happen a lot in Adobe After Effects. And now we have it perfect. And this is how you do scrolling titles for text or graphics in Adobe After Effects.